Hi guys, to receive this ceiling lamp for event purposes, it's a gold glass ceiling lamp, which I find quite nice. It comes very well protected with bubble wrap, as you can see. And look at this, it's really beautiful. Okay, yeah, as I've said, it's an LED lamp. So let's start from everything. It comes with all the instructions and that you need to assemble it, so it's really nice. It's easy installation, so I'm quite excited. Okay. As I've said, it comes with everything you need to assemble it, all the nuts, bolts, and all. Okay. So let's go ahead and install it. And right now I'll be placing it in here on the ceiling. So let's go. Okay guys, as you can see now it's already installed. It looks really nice. It has a slim, sleek design, which I find quite nice. As you've seen, it's really easy to install. Basic installation stuff. It doesn't take that much long, and it's really nice. Perfect for your hallway, your entrance, your dining room, your kitchen, whatever you want to place it. It's really nice. I quite like it. It's like a cold neutral white, which is really nice, and I like it a lot. I would recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.